Okay, good day. Our console application title for today is Falling Letters. So have patience to watch this. So this is like a quick coding of an application or a program that would make letters on the screen fall. So we have the read line here, and then assign this to a variable. So we have letters here. Then we'll be going to use again a loop. Then we'll start from 0. Then I less than letters that length. We'll get the total length of the input. Then we'll increment by 1. Then we will be having another loop inside it. It's like yay, our favorite. So we'll be think it should start from like 12. For the meantime, I'll set this to console. We'll set the cursor to 12. It's up to you about, where do you want to place your cursor. And then after that, so we start from 12, then we'll try to write the letters. We write it one by one, then let's parse the letters one by one from the start to the end. So we'll use I, and then we'll have a delay for this. So we'll be using thread, and then slip. Let's try to use a faster um, slip time. So make it like maybe 10. Then after that, I forgot to place a set cursor position. So we'll make this 12 plus I for the cursor position, and then 12 would be J to make the letter fall. And then we will, or we're gonna be using an erasing code. So J minus 1 to erase the previous display of a letter to make it like falling from start to end. Let's try to test this first. So, oh, what's happened? Seems there's a problem. See, J is less than 24, sorry. Then this should be J. Okay, let's make it again run. See, it's now falling. So let's add a color, a random color. So I'll be borrowing one of my code here, and then you put here like this one. And actually, not a background color. It should be console or foreground color, so that it would fall like with different colors. See it? Really good. So also we will be adding a beep here for so it would be nice watching the falling letters with beep sound. Then beep. Then we will use I times J times I maybe. Then the delay would be let's try I think 10. Oh, why? Sorry. Maybe we can use instead the I since it's not allowed. Hmm. Frequency should be must be between 37. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So let's add 37 plus like that. Sorry. Okay. Let's add more like 500. Make the sound different. See, it's amazing. It's don't believe I can do it in impromptu coding. This is actual development. Hmm. Oh, sorry. It's part of the program. We are like adding a bug. That's it. Think that's all that you want to make letters move on the display or onto the console display. And I hope you enjoy this. And maybe next time I'll prepare another animation console application. Okay, thank you so much.